Welcome back. You're watching First Trades. Well, Zomato is one stock that continues to remain in focus. Well, today it's in focus on the back of the 8,500 crore QIP, which the company has opened and is subscribing shares from investors. And the floor price set for that the same is 265.9 rupees. Let's go across to Gaurav for more information on the same.
Zomato is the stock which is in focus, and the reason being that the company has now approved their QIP of 8,500 crore rupees. Now, when we look at the details of the QIP, floor price for this QIP is going to be around 265.91 rupees, which is at 2 to 3% discount to the current market price. And when we talk about indicative price, that is going to be offer price is going to be around 252 rupees, which could be at a 5% discount to the floor price. Now, let's not forget that the issue opens today, and let's not also forget that the company had gotten approval from shareholders just 2 days ago for this QIP to raise funds. Now, when we talk about Zomato, there have been another news flows as well, because when we talk about the performance in the last 1 month only, the stock has gone up almost by 8%, and the reason being that when we look at the other developments, now Zomato is also going to enter into Sensex from 23rd December, and at the same time the company will also enter into F&O segment from 29th November. And at the same time, when we talk about this QIP specifically, majority of the funds will be used for the food delivery segment as per sources. Now, let's not forget that the company came up with IPO in 2021, and the size of the IPO was somewhere around 9,375 crore rupees. And once again, now this QIP is coming up at a size of 8,500 crore rupees. So a big news which is coming up from Zomato. Let's not also forget that when we talk about the IPO, at the time of IPO, the market cap was around 59,000 crore rupees, and now the market cap stands at around 2.4 lakh crore rupees. So the company had already given a huge amount of returns to the investors, and now that with the IPO coming up and the company is focusing more on the food delivery segment, it will be really interesting to see how investors gain from this movement. So definitely watching out on what happens in Zomato after the IPO and after the QIP, which is for 8,500 crore rupees.